In this Moosend review, I will be walking you through, first of all, what exactly Moosend does, the good sides, the bad sides, and a lot of things that you need to know in order to make the best decision on whether it will work for you or not. Before I get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share so that I will be motivated to do more reviews that can help you in the future. Also, if you finish watching this review video, and you finally decide that you will give Moosend a try, then I will recommend you click on the first link in the description of this video you're watching to get it at a discounted price. Now let's get the review started by talking about what exactly Moosend is and what exactly it does. Moosend is a powerful email marketing platform with world-class features, state-of-the-art marketing automation, and an award-winning user interface. Use it to manage multiple email campaigns and mailing lists, as well as design and send striking and responsive newsletters created on the built-in campaign editor. Upgrade your marketing campaigns with intelligent email automation, personalization tags, landing pages, subscription forms, and meaningful campaign reports. With Moosend you can easily manage multiple email campaigns and mailing lists, as well as design and send striking, responsive newsletters created on the built-in campaign editor. Upgrade your marketing campaigns with intelligent email automation, personalization tags, landing pages, and subscription forms. Moosend was founded by Yanis Saras in 2013. Moosend is best for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Compared to similarly priced solutions, Moosend's automation workflows are quite robust. However, Moosend has some limitations that may be deal breakers for you. Customer support in their free plan is only available 5 days a week and does not include phone or priority support. Also, Moosend only includes about 70 email templates, and its integrations with third-party platforms are limited. Moosend offers a free plan that includes up to 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 monthly email sends. Moosend's paid plan starts at $10 per month and increases based on your number of contacts. If you desire robust automation workflows at an affordable price point, Moosend is a solid option. If you desire a solution with a free plan that includes exceptional customer support and a large library of email templates, we recommend Aweber. If you desire a solution that integrates with over 240 third-party solutions, MailChimp is likely better for your business. Get meaningful campaign reports and watch your statistics feed in real time. Moosend is a powerful email marketing platform with world-class features, state-of-the-art marketing automation, and an award-winning user interface. From fledgling startups to Fortune 500 companies, thousands of businesses around the globe use Moosend to engage their email subscribers and grow their businesses. Now that you know what Moosend is and what it does, we will now look at the good sides and the bad sides of this product or program. I will start with the good sides, then the bad sides according to my personal experience. Moosend provides a straightforward, robust platform for email marketing. On top of email marketing are tools to build automation processes. The email marketing setup steps logically walk you through the process. Mail sender verification is with DNS text records and it plain works. Importing email lists, segmentation, subscription forms, landing pages, campaign email builder, CNAME functionality, and even integrations are well done. In a short amount of time, I was able to hook up my ConvertBox pop-up manager and link signups to a new Moosend email list. I'm looking forward to exploring more features, including integrations with hyperized personalization, some A/B testing on the front end, webhooks, and automation with WooCommerce. The interface is great, you can really do what you want and it's easy to figure out and get going quickly. I love that I have templates and can make my own. The report dashboard is easy to navigate. Adding team members is great for sharing management for internal staff and for client access, with granular permission levels. Did I mention the online responsive chat support? We have been incredibly pleased with the deliverability we have received from Moosend. They are one of the best options for getting the most bang for your buck. Way better than MailChimp. I can only imagine how fantastic that must be. Their willingness to implement new features and how they listen to user feedback. I enjoy the simple, but powerful use of this software. Its design and user-friendly. How easy it is to create and send a newsletter. From automatically adding a user list batch to the platform, to actually designing and sending a newsletter. The drag and drop feature in particular is very useful. Also, the customer support is very responsive and eager to help, so that's a very big plus. Needless to mention the many newsletter templates offered, and the step-by-step process of creating a newsletter from start to finish is very important. Especially as an amateur in creating newsletters and email marketing in general, this is hands down the best email services provider. The software is simple when you want that, but then also provides automation and technical features that experienced marketers and evolved marketing infrastructures demand. And it's been fantastic for 2 of my startups, as they have a very generous and full-featured free tier. Importantly, their API is robust and well documented and straightforward to use. As such, anyone with fundamental programming experience should be able to hook it up easily with your app. Moosend is one of the best email marketing platforms in the market. Its free plan allows you to send unlimited emails to 1,000 subscribers per month. You can upgrade to different plans as per your usage with minimal cost. Moosend's features like marketing automation, advanced segmentation, tracking, real-time reporting and analytics, integration, personalization, A/B slip testing, landing pages, etc. can be used to conduct high-impact marketing campaigns. Moosend's drag-and-drop email editor is a well-thought feature, and it allows you to create professional-looking emails with ease. I like the interface, the add-on features, incorporating analytics, the ability to schedule a campaign to resend at time of sending, etc. I especially like that the free program allows you to create multiple mailing lists as long as your total is under 1,000 addresses, which is something competing services fall down at. On the whole, I find the whole platform fairly user-friendly and fresh feeling in terms of aesthetics. So far, I have not found anything that I don't like. But it would have been wonderful if Moosend had the landing page option on the free plan as well. Also, it would be nice if Moosend had an app so users can download and check stats. The only downside is here and there we have some downtime or moments where there are bugs, but the team is pretty responsive to these things and they are usually solved pretty quickly. But what can you expect? It's software. Of course, it's going to have its moments. After going through this review, personally, I will recommend you go and get Moosend and test it out for yourself because I see it beneficial for you in the long run. Remember, I put a link to the page on the website where you can buy it for the cheapest price for now.